Time now for the Co-Rally Python. The diffs have all been done. That's fine. Check it. Oh God. Right, okay. Right. Oh, beast. Don't damage her. Where can we tuck all this? There must be a way. No hole for the aerial, that'll do. It's just the annoying part, you've got to do that. That's all got to go under there somehow. Oh, it's not going to. There we go. Let's do the back first. Goes lengthways. I think. Does it? Can't see. Goes lengthways. Come on. I can't see a damn thing. Cannot see a thing. All I see is right down. Oh dear. Traxxas, yeah. I still can't find it. Jeez, there we go. Go on, go on. In you go. Ah, great. This one's out. That's got to be sideways. And it is. Oh, she's ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. Stand back. Stand well back. Stand well back. Okay. Check this one. I ain't worried about it. Okay now. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, she's a beast. Ooh. Oh, she's a beast. Oh. Jeez. Oh no. Christ. Oh, she's wicked. Look at that gravel. Let's find some dust. Whoa, whoa. You're a beast. She's a beast. 6S. I am not touching the throttle. Whoa, man. We got sheep here now. Mind the car. Cool, look at that. I'm scared. Whoa, whoa. Oh, wow, Jesus. Right. I'm scared. I'm scared to do this. Let's go for it. Whoa, talk steer. Wrong way. Alright, let's do you on some grass, shall we? That'll be easier. Safer, isn't it? Where have you gone? I can't see you. Oh, you're buried. Are you buried? Yeah, you are. Sorry about that. Oh, Christ. Ready? Here we go. Whoa. That must be damaged. Idiot. What have I damaged? Oh, I don't know. Let's wait and see. That's damage. Oh, a mask. Idiots. You're alright, aren't you? Yeah, of course you are. Oh shit. Damage. Ball joints come out. How come? How come? That broke? Or it just fit in? Can't see any other damage there. How old? How old? Shocks? Shocks are fine. Just back to that, I think. But I don't know about that. Is that supposed to just go back in? see. She's popped it. That's a repair job, that is. What a bloody shame. How the hell did he get that in? Popped it clean out. Oh well. That's the end of the Python. That's where the YouTube. Surely. Oh, this one's out. No, is it? No, that one looks alright. That has just come clean out. Good grief. I didn't hit anything. Oh well. That's the end of today for you. You never mind. And that's coming off. Oh well. There's a lesson to be learned. Go for the small ones. Let's just turn her off for a minute. Where do we do that? In there, like that. Right. Jesus. You didn't last long, did you? Otherwise you seemed okay. You're bloody fast though. We've got a long walk home now. How about that? Oh dear God. Oh. Oh dear God. Oh, my success. Oh well. Senton. Dear. Really need somewhere big for these. Somewhere open. That's pretty. You weigh a ton. Need a recovery vehicle. I do. I think I might save the Senton. Let's go home. Oh, God, you're heavy. The long walk back. And that's damaged. Or is that the one? No, that's the one. Yes, it's the front one. Can you see that there? Can you see what's happened? It's popped out from there. It's gone all loose and wobbly. Yeah, how weird. How did you do that?